approaching Poplar Creek, the branch that goes through the part of it that goes through the baseball fields on Park Boulevard. This is what's draining from the baseball fields. And that out there is the baseball field. Including that one there, the whole infield is submerged. That's the water rushing out. Actually, this water is actually rushing in because the creek overflowed. That was actually the water rushing in because the creek overflowed. It had nowhere to go but the baseball field. So, it's going to be a while before they play baseball out here. That is a wrap from the great April 16th through 18th flood of the Chicago northwest suburbs from Streamwood, Illinois.